Okay na ba? Overeat. Dito? Okay ka?
Because it's color white.
Okay. Baka makalampas ako ng konti. Okay na? You did good.
So, get this one and put here. Again, tell me the 4 cycles of water. Water cycle is
Evaporation, condensation, precipitation,
collection. Can you make it look like a cycle?
Yes.
Okay.
Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection.
Good job. Let me take a look. Oh, nice. What is evaporation atin?
It's when a liquid turn into a gas.
Correct.
It go to the sky too. Our lakes and clouds, the water starts to evaporate into the clouds. Yeah.